Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at what I found in my little moped today. It all fits. This is my usual tripod. So this is a little double powder. I found this at Cash Converters. I have no idea what brand it is. It's all in Chinese, but it was about 20 bucks. And honestly, it's probably the only time anyone's ever been to Cash Converters and not been ripped off one way or the other. But you know, I went down, bought it, wasn't expecting to get a tripod that day. It has two levels. You can see I got the phone holder attachment on it, but it's not actually, it's supposed to be for a camera, but you know, you just chuck it on. So you got two levels, you know, two spirit levels, so you can hit them with the spirit bomb once you hit that 9,000 power limit. But yeah, so that tightens up, and then you can film in portrait and landscape. That adjusts. It's also that height adjusts as well, and you'll see that there's like another level there on the stem. And it extends quite tall. You've got three adjustable heights on the legs. So this is what I'm usually filming for. Only trouble is, absolutely useless for unboxing. So as you can see, random Chinesium brand, but actually good quality Chinesium. Like, can't complain. You even get this little Boss handle with it. So yeah, something about VTF 350. But today, the new contender is, oh my god, adjustable phone tripod. So this isn't even trying to be a camera tripod. Obviously, once you unwind the little phone attachment, there is the same screw that you use for a phone, for a camera, I should say. If you wanted to use your DSLR in combination with a $6 adjustable phone tripod, but I highly doubt many people want to do that. So yeah, this hit me about $6. Now, if you watch DankPod's channel, you know what this is called. This is an egg bag. And it happens to be the worst quality egg bag I've ever seen. You can fit 12 eggs in that bad boy. But yeah, once you take out the tripod out of the actual egg bag itself, it just slides right out there. As you can see straight away, it's a fair bit thinner. It does have one spirit level on it, so which is nice. That sort of loosens up to make it easy to adjust. The top bit will also flip out, so you can film a bit easier in landscape or portrait, but obviously with this being a phone holder mount, you can just flip your phone around, of course, and then once you've got that screwed in nicely, once you spin me right round like a 80s one-hit wonder, she's all good. So for $6, I'm not expecting a world-beating design. Just clamps down your phone with some nasty spring action. Then all you got to do is pull these little legs away, and they'll come out. So once you pull on those little tabs there and sort of flip them out, they'll close in again. Obviously, you want to get it as level as possible. All right, lads, time to start setting up the phone holdy boy. Can't wait, can't wait. So there's actually 4 individual levels here. So you can see here, I kind of don't extend it all the way out at first, but there's sort of, so you've got the level it comes on, and then you'll have 3 extra extensions from there that hide inside of the tripod. Loosens off, and again, you can flip it to film in portrait rather than just flipping your phone. And this is the you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about shot. So by comparison, obviously the Cash Converters OG is a long and thick boy, but for a sneaky unboxing video, this should be a lot easier to fit on my desk. And this is what the camera looks like in the tripod. Obviously the same as the other tripod. It's not going to affect the lens or anything like that, but just wanted to put it in there for the video.